Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Let's take a look at Meitner, the sound that they create with their products. I would say that, pretty good structure, a lot of good stuff, like I have to say with all these other brands. Just a bit, gray, bright, analytical, lacking personality and drive. Not there at all. I feel that it could probably sound better if you had a very warm speaker that wasn't too revealing. I definitely hear potential, but it's just there's just something in it that kind of sucks the life out of you. So yeah, not really my cup of tea. I believe that you can do things with this gear and you can work with the sound, but that it's just not my cup of tea. I think you have to be a certain type of person to listen to this type of sound. It's just, for me, it's just boring and unengaging and unimaginative and cynical, and yeah, it's just not really for me. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.